we're gonna start to get into space slowly. We're gonna change it up. We're going to start to get into space slowly. We're going to change it up a little on the premiere. This is the premiere auction. We're going to do some robot related that are a bit more current than what you would expect. But you know what? Newer stuff deserves respect, right? And then we will get into the classics of the space toys and the larger Japanese tin. It's gonna be a beautiful rocket. Nice piece. This is a Tetsujin 28 airplane. Okay, here's the inside of the Tetsujin airplane skyrocket. Really, really nice toy. And they even did lithography on the tops of the wings, moving down into the heart of the space toys. Great space dog. That's actually a Jetsons tank. It's really quite cool. And you would never know. Okay, here's the Jetsons tank. It was Chinese produced. And ends up being a nice bootleg. MS-720. Alright, we just took the lid off of the Astronaut, which is battery-powered Astronaut. Roscoe Cragston. Look at that toy, look at the condition. Just absolutely immaculate. That'll be a highlight. Great Sputnik satellite, that's a highlight. Here's the Sputnik toy, man-made satellite. And it's an extremely special toy. I imagine it went over like a lead balloon in America. Nobody wanted to admit Sputnik was a thing, and America didn't do it. Great train robot, and the Tetsujin. Tootsie. Then we're going to start to get into character toys. And we're going to skip some character toys, look at a little bit, tease it a little. Alright, so be sure to check out our auction. It's going to go on Live Auctioneers. It's going to be AntiqueToys.com in affiliation with Mars, M-A-R-Z Auctions. So you can look on Mars Auctions on Live Auctioneers and see all these great items. It's probably going to be listed beginning of December, which would put things probably December 14th or so, which would put it 1 month out from the actual auction date of January. And it'll be January 12th and 13th, 2024, next year. Cheers from Ed. Take care, everybody.